just curious. My question for the day is, have you ever gotten food to go when you're on your motorcycle? I guess you go to Subway and get a sandwich and get that to go. Take it back to work with you, and then you get a drink back at work or at the house. But I can't say that that's something that I've ever done. Slow down there, buddy. So anyway, that's my little question for you. Oh, look at this. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Debris, something to slip on around this corner. That's nice. Alright, so here I am going to lunch. I'm going to walk into BK today. We'll see if they ask if it's for here to go. Not going to McDonald's. I think Burger King has better burgers. So we'll go right in here. And get us some grub. So, for all you guys, have a good lunch. And girls, you too.